Well, welcome back to the channel, folks. I've got some cool stuff today. As you know, the holidays are coming upon us, and I took advantage of some time off, and I went out and I hit the Home Depot because I saw the sale going on with this Packout, and it is a pretty good sale. I would suggest that you go take a look at it. So the way the sale works on the Packout, anything that's Packout, there's like 3 different tiers, and the more you spend, the more money you get off. So if you spend $399, or let's just say $400, you get $150 off of what you purchase. And if you spend, the next tiers are lower. There's one that you'll get a $90 discount and one that's a $50 discount. So as you can see, I hit it up today. I come out with the haul, and I'm really stoked to put all this together. My shop's in total chaos, and ever since we built this addition back here that you can see behind me, I have not gotten this shop organized, and I've been fighting daily to try to get it done. And this is gonna help me organize some of my tools, because I just have wrenches and pliers, and if you know, that stuff just gets left everywhere, and I want to try to find a home for most of that stuff. And I thought this was a cool way to do it with all the accessories they have that can be mounted on the sidebars. It was pretty cool. I wasn't aware of some of this, and I spoke with this nice young lady up there that actually works for Milwaukee, the Home Depot store, and she kind of showed me a bunch of stuff, and it was very helpful to have a representative there to kind of fill you in on all the stuff that actually goes along with this Packout. This is actually going to be part of a new tool that's coming in the shop. As you can see it's still in the crate, and that is a metal lathe. Yes, the majority of the things that I do is woodworking, pretty much 100%. There is a use for this on some upcoming projects, and this stuff has just fascinated me. So what's cool about these Packouts is they have accessories like this. And this lets a Packout clamp or slide and lock in. And these simply go on the bars on the side. So these will go like so. So it's pretty cool to have these. These are very affordable. And all this is part of building that price to get those discounts. So anything that is Packout accessories, if it's Packout, it goes against that total number to get you those discounts. So I highly encourage you to go take advantage of that, because some of this stuff is pricey, and to be able to get those kind of discounts is pretty good if you want to get them in your shop. So don't sleep on this, get out there. So we're going to get going. I'm going to shut up. We're going to get going and start putting this together so you can see what it's all about. So let's go. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. This was a quick little project to do here to get more storage, and it's portable. This is one of the biggest things that I've been trying to do here in the shop is make everything portable, make it to where I can move it. It just makes things so much easier. And if you want to clean or just simply rearrange the shop, a better layout, it's always easier when stuff is on some sort of mobile base. And I really like this. If I need to, it's quickly can be disconnected from each other. It's limited, as you're gonna see that the drawer sizes are small. You're not getting into a big mechanics toolboxes. So some of the things will not fit in here, or you'll have to make arrangements to get it to fit. But I mean, for the most part, for the small stuff that I'm using, it works perfect. You can find me on Instagram at Joey Steelblade, and on all the other platforms, TikTok, Facebook, it's Steelblade Woodworks. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Remember to comment and subscribe to the channel. All those subscriptions really help out to keep moving forward. So we'll catch you on the next one. Bye now.